see this rabbit. He's a lot bigger than mine, yeah? Hi. You come say hello? Very friendly. You can go through the chain, yeah? You see? Chains don't slow him down. I don't know if I'm even allowed in here. I'm very interested into this setup. Now, they're not digging their way out. Okay, I say that as I watch one just go under the wall right there. Now it's got a piece of carrot. I don't think I'm supposed to be in here. Look at this one. Follow me like puppies. Hello. Lots of little houses for them. Quite an interesting setup. Let's see. It's concrete here, but it's not all concrete, but it's clay that's hard as a rock. I think I'm going to get in trouble here. I'm sure I saw one go out. Oh! They got a burrow. A hole in the ground. Look at this one. Hi. How you doing? How are you doing? Don't need my ticket. Look at this cute guy. Hi. It's the life you got here, huh? There's a few different kinds here. I'm not up on my many kinds of rabbits, but the white ones are New Zealand. But there's some lop ears as well. And then you got these little tiny ones that I thought were babies, but I don't think they are. I think that's how big they get. Interesting. And they're using chicken waterers. I've never even tried that. That one's still got a piece of carrot running around. Hi. They're very active for daytime.